All right, starting lesson 7, finding percentage increases and decreases. All right, very simple concept and very useful one. To find the percentage of increase or decrease in a problem, you must create a fraction by putting the change over the original amount. All right, so percentage increase is the change, or decrease is the change over the original amount. All right, let's see how this works out. All right, so what is the percentage of increase from 10 to 13? Well, what's the change? Going from 10 to 13, the change would be 3. All right, and what was the original amount you started with, though? You started at 10, so it's 3 over 10. And figuring out the percentage, we have to get the denominator to be what? 100. So it's 30 over 100, and the top number represents your percentage. Done. So it's a change of 30%, or increase of 30%. What is the percentage of decrease from 50 to 20? Well, what's the decrease from 50 to 20? What's the change? 30. And what was the original amount? Well, you started with 50, so over 50. I have to get 100, multiply by 2. All right, so it's 60%. All right, that's the decrease. Going on to the next example. All right, what is the percentage of decrease from 20 to 13? All right, 20 to 13, the change is 7. Original amount was 20. All right, so multiply by 5 now. 35 over 100 is 35%. All right, part D, what is the percentage of decrease from 40 to 20? All right, well, the change is 20. The original is 40. All right, now we can't multiply 40 by anything to get 100. So what do you do in this case? Well, first thing I could do is just get rid of the zeros. All right, that's essentially like dividing both by 10. So I get 2 over 4. You could continue to simplify that, but can I multiply 4 by something to get 100? Yeah, 25. So I get 50 over 100, which is 50%. So it's a 50% decrease. What is the percentage of decrease from 80 to 20? Well, the change is 60, and it's over the original, which is 80. All right, when I have zeros at the end, I could just cancel both of them out. It's like dividing both numbers by 10. All right, so I have 6 over 8. That still doesn't help me. I'm going to divide both by 4. All right, oh, actually, no, you can't do that. You can divide both by 2. So I have 3 over 4. Okay, now I can multiply 4 by 25. All right, top and bottom. So I get 75 over 100. So the decrease was 75%. All right, what is the percentage of increase from 15 to 18? All right, the change is 3. The original is 15. You can't multiply 15 by anything to get 100. Can we simplify this fraction? Yes, we can. Divide both by 3. So I get 1 over 5. Now, 5 times what is 100? That would be 20. So I end up with 20 over 100, which is 20%. All right, so 20% increase. Oops. All right, next example. The cost of an afternoon movie ticket last year was $4. This year, an afternoon movie ticket costs $5. What is the percentage increase of the ticket from last year to this year? Okay, so what was the change in price? It was $1. What was the original price of the ticket? It was $4. All right, so we have our setup. All right, piece of cake now. Let's get 100 on the bottom. 25 over 100. So the ticket price has increased 25% over the past year. All right, part B. The average price of a home in San Diego in 2007 was $800,000. In 2008, the average home price dropped to $600,000. By what percent did the price of homes decrease? Okay, so what was the change in price? That would be $200,000. All right, what was the original? $800,000. All right, so I got all these zeros that I could cancel out here. That's simple. Then I have 2 8s, and I can't multiply 8 by anything to get 100, so I'll divide both these by 2, and I get 1/4. top and bottom now by 25. So it's 25%. That's what the price of homes decreased to, or what it decreased by, 25%. Going on to the next example, the price of milk in 2000 was $2 per gallon. In 2008, the price of milk increased to $3.80 per gallon. By what percent did the price of milk increase? Okay, so what was the change in price? It was $1.80. What was the original price of milk? It was $2. All right, so this is some funky business here. What do you do? All right, well, I don't like the decimals, so I'm going to move the top one to the right twice, and you have to do that to the other number as well. So instead of this funky fraction, now I have 180 over 200. All right, that's much more simple to work with, and this is even more simple to work with. 18 over 20, and I could just multiply top and bottom here by 5, and I get 90 over 100, so 90%. So that's a pretty significant increase in price. All right, a DVD player was on sale at Best Buy for $26. If the original price of the DVD player was $50, then what is the percentage in savings? All right, what's the change in price? It's $24. All right, and what was the original? The original was 50. All right, so just multiply top and bottom here by 2. 48 over 100, so 48%. All right, that's a pretty good deal if you're saving 48% off the original price. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Begin the assignment.